Alright guys, after checking around and moving everything around and doing all this work that I'm doing right now, I was able to finally find it. So it's in the front of the car, passenger side. You're gonna have 4 screws to remove. Plus, you gotta remove your wiper blades. You gotta remove them out of the way. There's a little click button on the side that you gotta hit right here. Once you remove this little click right here, it'll come off by itself and the whole piece will come off. You don't need to take it apart. So we finally figured it out. It's right here. So you're gonna need a wrench and where's that? Oh, it's right here. You're gonna need a small wrench to do the job. I mean, I knew it wasn't in front. I mean, it wasn't inside the cabin, but you just never know. You gotta look around to find it. Funny. Right here it says replace your filter every 12 months or every 15,000 miles or 124,000 kilometers. Remove 4 screws to service filter. So this car is a 2001. So you could imagine since 2001 it hasn't been changed at all. So let's see how it looks. So this L filter has quite a while since it's been time being replaced. I think this is still a factory cabin filter. You got to remove this cover. And it's even broken too. Damn. There you go. There's the cabin filter. So you guys can see how dirty it is. Look at that. Damn. And it appears it's been changed and nope, it hasn't been changed for a while, so I'm guessing it hasn't been changed at all. So now we gotta compare it to the new one. Perfect. Look at that. So this right here, this is a K&N cabin filter. K&N cabin filter. I really recommend K&N parts, especially whatever cars you have. They all work the same. I called them and everything, and they told me the cabin filter shouldn't be a problem, but it was a problem for me to find it because it's right there, sits right there, and then moves down over here, so you can see all the dirt from the outside gets trapped there, and then nothing goes to the inside of the car. But this cabin filter has not been changed since 2001. So this car was manufactured. So I'm guessing it's really dirty and beyond expired. But alright, let's pull the new one in and we should be good. The only reason I know this is factory because the factory they always have these little hooks. It has 3. The new one The new one does not does not have no little hooks at all I mean, I thought it was gonna be the frame, but it's not a frame, so it's not a frame. So this is actual after replacement of, you know, and it's, you know, so it's crazy, huh? All right, so let's put it back in there and see how it looks after being replaced. Put it backwards. There you go. That's the way you do it. Now to hold it, you need to put it here. One by one. I don't know how you guys do this, but I want you to start from the middle. Okay, now that we put the cabin filter back in its place, you know you're ready to rest. You just put back the plastic cover, the wiper blades, the little tiny screws, and you should be set. And then you have a new cabin filter in there. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.